In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a solid layer in CapCut PC. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you already have a project open inside the CapCut editor on your computer. You should be able to see your main timeline at the bottom and the different panels around it. We're going to create a solid background using CapCut's built-in elements, so you don't have to import any external images or graphics. Take a look at the left-hand panel of the CapCut interface. This is where you'll find different categories like media, text, effects, and so on. In that list, look for the option labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Elements panel, which contains different visual assets you can use in your video. At the top of the Elements panel, you'll see a search bar. Click inside that search bar and type the word background. This helps filter the results so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. Once you've typed background, look just below for the Contents Type tabs and switch over to the Photos tab. This tells CapCut that you only want to see still background images instead of animated elements. After switching to the Photos tab, you should now see some pre-made background options. Among these, you'll usually find simple black and white backgrounds, which are perfect if you want a clean, solid layer. Choose the one that best fits what you're going for. For example, if you want to darken the screen behind text or add a base layer for a graphic, the black background works really well. If you want a clean, bright base, the white background is a good option. Once you've decided which background you want, move your cursor over it, then click and drag it directly down into your timeline. You can drop it beside an existing clip if you want it to appear before or after other footage. Or, if you'd like it to act as a separate layer, drag it above or below an existing track, so that it sits on its own track. This makes it easier to adjust length, position, and layering later on. And that's it. You've successfully added a solid layer in CapCut PC using the built-in background elements. From here, you can resize it on the timeline, extend its duration, or stack text, images, and other elements on top to complete your design.